Now this is AIEEE 2010 question. AIEEE represents All India Engineering Entrance Examination. Now what is the question he has given? The combination of gates shown below yields, means which gate does it represent? XOR gate, NAND gate, OR gate or NOT gate. Now let us see. I hope by now everyone know which type of gate it is. Everyone know this is nothing but NOT gate. Everyone know this is nothing but which type of gate it is. It is nothing but NOT gate. Whenever input A is given to NOT gate, what will be the output? It will become A bar. Whenever input B is given to NOT gate, what will be the output? It will become B bar. Now which gate is this one? This is D symbol with a bubble. Then it represents which gate? This is nothing but NAND gate. What will be the output of NAND gate? It will be complement of the product of two inputs. So I can write X is equals to, what is the input one here? A bar dot. What is the input B here? It is B bar. Again, whole complement should be there. Now see here, neither it is XOR gate, neither it is NAND gate, neither it is OR gate, neither it is NOT gate. So I said that whenever you are seeing this type of problem, whenever you are having such options that it is not matching with anyone, you have to use which law? We have to use De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. What is De Morgan's law? Sum of the complement of two inputs will be equals to individual complement of the two inputs. Whenever there is A dot B complement, then it will become, what it will become? It will become A plus B whole bar. Inverse of this thing. I think inverse of this thing. So here, whenever product is there, it will become place. Whenever product is there, it will become place. So this will become A double bar plus B double bar. I said that whenever you are having double bar, you have to write it as A. Whenever there is double bar on B, we can write it as B. Now which output is this one? A plus B. A plus B is nothing but the logical operation of OR gate. So which one is the right answer? Third option is the right answer. I hope you are getting this. I might be telling very fast, but please revise the video if you are not getting, or comment in the comment section so that I can know that. So let us move on to the next problem. Now see here, this question is given in All India Engineering Entrance Examination 2012. Don't get confused by looking at the figure. It will be very easy. We will see now. See here, a D symbol with a bubble. This represents which gate? It represents NAND gate. Again here also D symbol with a bubble. It represents which gate? NAND gate. Here also D symbol with a bubble. NAND gate. D symbol with a bubble. NAND gate. What he is asking? Truth table for the system of 4 NAND gates. Truth table for the system of 4 NAND gates. Now let us directly apply. Applying input is very easy here. See here. Now let us apply this. Everyone is having same input. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So let us apply the inputs here. 0, 0. Here I have applied 0. Here I have applied 0. This 0 is here. For NAND gate, whenever both the inputs are 0, output will be 1. So here it will be 1. So here it will be 1. Now this 1 is applied to this input, and this 1 is applied to this input. Again one direct input is there. Again one direct input is there. 0 is already applied here. Again here one direct input is there. 0 is already applied here. Again NAND gate. Whenever inputs are 0 and 1, what will be the output for NAND gate? Whenever inputs are 0 and 1, output of NAND gate will be 1. Now this 1 will be applied here. Now see here also input is 1, here also output another input is 0. So here the input is 1 and the other input is 0. For NAND gate, whenever inputs are 1 and 0, output will be 1. So again here the output will be 1. Now both the ones are applied here. Here it is 1, here it is 1. What is the output for NAND gate whenever both the inputs are 1? It will be 0. It will be 0. So here the option is 0. So when both the inputs are 0, what is the output I am getting? I am getting the output as 0. Now let us check this option. Here both the inputs are 0, output is 1. So this option is wrong. Now let us move on to the second option. Here both the inputs are 0, output again is 1. So this is option wrong. Now let us see the third option. When both the inputs are 0, what is the output? It might be true. See here last option. Here both the inputs are 0, output is 0. So this might be the option. These two options are getting cancelled. Now we are left with these two options. Now let us apply the second input, 0 and 1. Now I am applying here 0. I am applying 1 here. Now this 0 is applied here. Now this 1 is applied here. Now 0 and 1 is applied here. Here it will be 1. What is the output for 0 and 1? 0 and 1 applied. What will be the output? The output will be 1 here, 1 here. Now here applied is 0 directly. Now this 1 will come here. Now this 1 will come here. Now what is the other input here? Here 1 is applied. Previously it was 0. Now here 1 is applied. So 1 into 1. Whenever both the inputs are 1, what will be the output for NAND gate? It will become 0 here. Because both the inputs are 1, it will become 0 here. Here what is the input? 1 is the input. What is the other input? 0 is the input. So whenever one input is 0, other input is 1, what will be the output? Again there will be the same output, it will be 1. Now this 1 is applied here. Now this 0 is applied here. This is not 0, 1. This is no 0 is applied here. Now whenever input is 1, other input is 0, what will be the output? Whenever input is 1, other input is 0, what will be the output? Here the output will be 1. So here now what we are getting? Here we are getting output as 1. Now let us see this option. Whenever input is 0 and 1, whenever input is 0 and 1, output is what? It is 1. Now let us check this option. Input is 0, other input is 1, but here output is 0. So this is wrong answer. So the correct option is option 3. I hope you understood this problem. It is somewhat lengthy, but it is not that difficult. You can easily solve this problem. You can easily solve this problem. So now let us move on to the next problem. Let us move on to the next problem. This is JEE 2016 question, IIT JEE 2016 question. He has given this waveform. He said that A, B, C, D are inputs. These 4 are inputs. A, B, C, D are inputs, and X is output. X is output. So he has given the graph. The gate is, you have to identify which gate is this one. Already we did this type of problem. I want you to do this problem. You can pause the screen and solve this problem. I am leaving this problem to you. I will just explain one gate. I will be taking this D1. See, this is low signal. This is represented by 0. This is high signal. This is low signal, high signal, low signal, high signal, low signal, high signal, low signal, high signal. So let me write this D1. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Similarly, what is C? Here it is 0, here it is 1, here it is 1, here it is 0, here it is 0, here it is 1, here it is 1, here it is 0, here it is 0, here it is 1. Low signal and high signal. So what are the inputs? 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Again 0, 0, 1. So if I want to write, I can write here 0, 1, 0, 1. Similarly, write down for B, write down for A, and write down for X, write down for X, and determine. Just take only four inputs and determine which gate is this one. Whether it is OR gate, whether it is AND gate, whether it is NOT gate, whether it is NOR gate, or whether it is NAND gate. I hope you will be doing this problem. Let us move on to the next problem. Okay, now we are coming to the JEE 2020 January paper. January paper 2020. Let us see what is the question he has given. Which of the following gives a reversible operation? A reversible operation. What does a reversible operation means? First of all, let us identify the gates. Which gate is this one? A leaf-like structure with a bubble. Leaf-like structure with a bubble represents which gate? It represents NOR gate. A D-like structure with a bubble. A D-like structure with a bubble represents which gate? This represents NAND gate. A leaf-like structure without any bubble. This represents which gate? This represents OR gate. Similarly, a leaf-like structure with a bubble such that both the inputs are joined together. Both the inputs are joined together. This represents which gate? I hope everyone by this time know which gate is this one. This is nothing but NOT gate. Now let us identify what is the question he is asking. This was the first time he has given this type of question. He is telling that which of the following gives a reversible operation. Let us understand what is the meaning of reversible operation. Suppose there are two persons X and Y. There are 2% X and Y. This X has given 5 rupees to Y. X has given 5 rupees to Y. Now Y can also give back 5 rupees to X because this is one-to-one operation. X has 5 rupees, this X has given 5 rupees to Y. Now this Y can also give 5 rupees to, again 5 rupees to X. Now remember this condition. Now let us see the 4 truth tables or fourth. How many inputs are here? First one, let us see first one, NOR gate. NOR gate is having 2 inputs. NOR gate is having 2 inputs. This is the symbol for NOR gate, and this is output. Here A, B, and what will be the output for NOR gate? It will be nothing but A plus B bar. Now suppose I have given the input to NOR gate. A input is 0, B input is 1. Now what will be the output? What will be the output here? 0 plus 1 bar. It will become 1 bar. Again it will be 0. Now tell me, otherwise you just think, what will happen if I give here input as 0? If I give the input 0, whether it will become 0 and 1 separately? It is not possible. Here 2 inputs are combined to 1, but this one input can't be separated into 2 other inputs. Are you getting this? Here I have given 2 inputs because it has 2 inputs. 2 input signals are there. I got one output. Now if I am giving only one input from the output, whether it is possible that this input will be divided into 2 parts? No, it is not possible. That is the reason this options can't be the right answer. This NAND, NOR options or options could not be the right answer. Why they can't be the right answer? Because all of them are having 2 inputs but only one output. They are having 2 inputs but only one output. But if you see this fourth one NOT gate, see here. Suppose for NOT gate I have given input A. What will be the output? A bar. Now if I make this as input, if I make this A bar as input, what will be the output I will be getting? A I will be getting. See here, it is one-to-one operation. I had 5 rupees, I have given that 5 rupees to Y person. Again this Y person can give that 5 rupees to X. But what is this condition? There are X and Y has given. This is something like this. Okay, you can understand this. There are X and Y person. This is some logic gate. This is Z person. X has given 2 rupees. Y has given 5 rupees. Z has got 7 rupees. Now is it possible that if Z is given 7 rupees, this 7 rupees is being, this X is getting 7 rupees and Y is also getting 7 rupees? No, it is not possible. But if I consider this gate, if I have given 7 rupees to here it will be 7 rupees. Again I can give this 7 rupees to that only one person, X person and Y person. I hope you understood this problem. This was NEET JEE 2020 problem. Okay, now let us see the other problem. This is again engineering entrance examination problem. I want you to do this problem. What he has given the truth table of a particular logic gate. Just you have to identify which truth table is this. Whether this truth table is for NOT gate, or whether it is for OR gate, whether it is for AND gate, or whether it is for NAND gate. I want you to pause the screen and do this problem. Similarly, other problem is also easy. He has given a logic circuit. Again you have to identify this represents which thing. What is this gate? This is NOT gate. This is NOT gate. Here a leaf like structure with a bubble. This represents which gate? NOR gate. A leaf like structure with a bubble, NOR gate. Again this one is triangle. This represents which gate? It represents NOT gate. It represents NOT gate. I want you to solve this problem. This is the question from 2019 engineering. Please pause the screen and solve this problem. I hope you will do this problem. Now let us move on to the, okay, this is the end of the problem. So I hope you understood all the problems. Now once you have did all these problems, just practice it one more time, so that you will be able to solve any problem given from this chapter. This chapter will be, and this topic, logic gate topic, will be giving 4 marks question for NEET students, and even for IIT JEE they will be getting, if you see the paper of 2019 and 2020, there are 2 logic gate question. Even for engineering examination which is being conducted in Telangana state and Andhra Pradesh state, they are getting around 1 or 2 questions from this logic gate. So this is the end of logic gate. The next video I will be uploading is based on transistors. Please do subscribe the channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.